So a customer can send us a message through this chat. Let me just refresh so you will see. The customer says chat with us, automatically they will get this message. And if they decide to message us, let me just try hello, they will be okay. So this was already here, but normally when they decide to chat with us on a new page, let me try this on a new page so you will see what it looks like. The chat will ask them to put so let's try it here. So message us. Already you can see some of the FAQs that we put here. So let's say for example the customer says, can I get an update on my order status? To see your order status, please provide your order number. And the customer can provide their order number and their email addresses to get an update. That's one way. Another one is if a customer says, when will I receive my order? Then we've already put an automatic response that says the order should be delivered within 2 to 5 working days and so on. However, the customer can decide to chat with us. And if they do decide to chat with us, let's say we put a hello, they will be asked to fill this form so that they can provide us with basic information that we can use to chat with them on. Once this information is provided, you can come back to the admin, and when you come back to the admin, you can see the message through our inbox. Okay, so when you come to our inbox, you can see that we have 2 unread messages, and the best way to access these messages is to get the mobile application. The Shopify mobile application will give you a link to that, and you can see the messages at every point in time. So just view your messages. View your messages. And you can see that this message has popped up here, and you can reply to this customer easily. If we decide, like, we can actually chat between ourselves as team, or you can assign the message to a team member. You can assign a staff to the message. Okay, so assuming we've added other employees here, you can easily assign them to this message. Otherwise, you just reply to the customer. Okay, that's that.